What if I told you that the most jaw-dropping AI art you have seen online wasn't made by big studios but by regular people using this tool? In 2025, Leonardo AI has become the secret weapon of the pros, and today I'm pulling back the curtain to show you everything they don't want you to know. We will see how to make or generate photos from Leonardo AI. We can use ChatGPT too, but in ChatGPT we have to prompt many times, then ChatGPT will accurate one image for our need. But in Leonardo we have 4 images at a time. So for that we need the help of ChatGPT. How? Here we paste our image for similar images that we can make a new image, and write give me prompt for this image, and ChatGPT will give us a accurate and mind-blowing prompt for the photos. As here are the colors, the text, the background, everything is under control. Okay, copy the prompt and paste it here. Before that you will have to create a Leonardo account. This is so simple. Just sign up with your email or continue with Google for that. Okay, here we found so many options like real-time canvas, flow state, video, image, upscaler, canvas editor, and more. We will go for image. Okay, then here are way more. Then lucid, image, flux, phoenix, flux wave. We can choose flux wave. Okay, then paste our prompt. Generate. We will use token for generate the images. In FluxDev they charge 39 token per 4 generated images, but in another model it will not the same. Okay, so here we can see that amazing photos here we will get. Many chats, abstract, our name, hidden ChatGPT income hacks. So little problem we can see here that this is the Chinese language. Go for another one, then another one. Okay, this is the perfect without any error. This is also perfect. We can choose any one of them. Super easy and super cool method, right? Let's explore another features of Leonardo AI that is so much interesting. Real-time canvas. Just click on real-time canvas and you can start drawing. Before that, confirm in paint, confirm interactive. Okay, here we can use any picture like we can draw a flower. Okay, and output to input. Okay, we can change to enemy. See, this is the change we can make, and this is the real time. And we also use a prompt that white mark. Okay, female. Okay, anything we input here, there is a change here. Okay, white mark email. So this is so much interesting and we can use anything or any purpose for it. Okay, now is the time to explore another feature of Leonardo AI that's amazing. Here we can use universal upscaler. this is used for blurry images cleaner. Like we have many images sometimes that is blurry, we can't use them, but in this section we can use and upscale it. Add image, upload an image, here the image, okay, upscale, and it will cost 30 tokens. Upscale. Here is the result. Look, this is the blurry image and this is the clean image. As this is an AI tool, you can have some changes. Okay, and that is blurry, it can't use or can't see anymore. And clear picture, this is so much clear, smooth, and we can use it so much. Okay, so as we use the features, there are less tokens. First I have 150 tokens, but now only 81. No worry, we can use these tokens for other purposes that will amaze you. In Leonardo, in the front page, we can see another posters that someone else's create. If you like one of the posters or more than one of the posters, just click them and you will get a prompt. Okay, use the prompt and generate another image for your own. You can also upscale this image and the original, or unzoom, no background, unzoom 2, you can use anything from that. Okay, this is one way. And another is in our image, that images we generated few moments ago or few days ago, we can change them. We can change them also. How? As an example, click on this image. Here you can see 3 dots. Click the 3 dots and edit canvas. We can edit canvas in the real mode. It is like Canva, but this is limited because it is a free version. Okay, then we have to mask lasso. Mask lasso. Okay, mask lasso, and we spot it here. Okay, or you can spot it here, anywhere you like. Spot it here. Okay, then infinite mode and place it here. We have to make some prompt. Okay, what prompt? Whatever you like to add in this image. Chat icon. Okay, and generate. Okay, it will make the copy of the icon. The more you give the prompt, the more it will work for you. Okay, you can place it anywhere. Okay, now you know the tricks that the pros have been keeping to themselves. The only difference between them and you is that they started earlier. So fire up Leonardo AI, start experimenting, and create art that makes people stop scrolling. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI secrets, and let's make 2025 your most creative year ever.